Hey y'all, so this is how I turned my old pair of jeans into a mini skirt. Watch this. Basically what I'm doing right now is I am cutting my jeans the length that I want them, and you'll see me flip them back and forth, even them out just to make sure that this is the length I want. Well, not really making sure that's the length I want because I already cut them, but basically making sure that they're even when I get to sewing the stitches. So basically I'm just showing y'all where I'm gonna cut it at. I'm cutting them right there because that's where the stitching is pretty much gonna go. What you see me doing right now is I'm basically folding them how I want them to be folded. That way it can look like a straight stitch and it can look, so it won't look lumpy basically. So that's basically what I'm doing now. And you see me use my little stick pins to place them. That way when it's time to use my sewing machine, I know where to stitch or where to line them at back. Pretty obvious. I'm just, cutting them to make them look even, because when I was cutting it, it didn't really look even, so I'm trying to basically get it as even as possible in a straight line in the skirt. I don't really care about the bottom of them, but I did try to get it as close as possible to an even line. So even though the sewing machine did give me some problems, look at that stitch. It looks nice to me. Mind you, this is like my third time even making something on the sewing machine, so not too much on beginners. Thank you. So I started pointing like that because now I'm trying to get the bag together. Like, look at the bag. It just looks real baggy back there. So I'm trying to get it together, see where I want to place it, like flip it over on what side. That way it doesn't look baggy in the back. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just cutting the strings, cutting it, making it look right. So, yeah. Now I'm just cutting them straight across again, making it look as even as possible. That way it doesn't look real crooked when I wear it, like one side is higher than the other. So I was just cutting it, making it look straight. At this point, I'm done with this skirt, and now I'm just trying to make it look frayed at the bottom. Like, I didn't want it to look straight across the board, if that makes sense, like real hemmed up and neat. I wanted it to look very messy, very DIY-ish. So that's what it's giving now. I'm just using my scissors and going back and forth and making it look how I'm making it look, very frayed at the bottom. And that's how I turned my old pair of jeans into this skirt that you're looking at now. So yeah, thank you for watching.
Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't late.